Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update firmware on a Samsung SSD using Magician step by step clearly. Start by downloading Samsung Magician software from the official Samsung website. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click on the installer file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Samsung Magician. After the installation is complete, launch the Samsung Magician software. You may need to accept the user agreement to proceed. Once the software is open, it will automatically detect your Samsung SSD. If multiple drives are present, select the appropriate Samsung SSD from the list. On the main dashboard, look for the Firmware Information section. Check if a firmware update is available for your SSD. If an update is available, you will see an option to download and install it. Click on the Firmware Update option to begin the process. Review any additional information provided regarding the firmware update. Ensure that no files are being transferred from or to the SSD during the update. Click the Proceed button to start the firmware update. The Magician software will download the firmware files automatically. Once the download is complete, the software will initiate the installation. Follow any prompts that appear during the installation process. The SSD may restart during the update. Do not power off your computer. Wait for the update process to complete. This may take a few minutes. Once the update is finished, you will receive a confirmation message. Check the firmware version to ensure that it has been updated successfully. Restart your computer to finalize the update. After your computer restarts, reopen Samsung Magician to verify the updated firmware. Your Samsung SSD is now running on the latest firmware version. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.